Hey, in this video, I'll give you my Kaspa price prediction, basically everything I think will happen for Kaspa in the next few days. Give you a long-term and a short-term price prediction. Let's start with the long-term. This is the daily chart, and on it, you can clearly see a few things. Basically, right here, you can see the 10. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Basically, right here, you can see the 10 EMA, the 20 EMA, VWAP, 50 EMA, and 200 EMA. We're definitely trending downward. This is a clear downtrend. Anyway you look at it, downtrend. But there's some good things that are happening as well. First of all, we have RSI. It's not that bad. It is not that bad. Here's the RSI actually on top. This is money flow. Money flow is not that bad, and we're about to get a divergence on it. It's not the strongest divergence, but it's not too bad either. But for the day, I think we'll dump a little bit, maybe at least to this level right here. So the next thing is what is happening with our levels. The most important level for me right now would be the 84839 area. My goal would be to have a nice retracement to it to later on pull up a nice short from that level so it can go downwards. So this is basically the short term and the longer term price prediction forecast for today. If you're wondering more about my strategy, I'll have some links in the description down below. I'm up 262 grand on meme coins, 28 grand on this new wallet. If you want to learn more about my strategy, use the link in the description down below. I've priced my course very cheap. The Signals chat is there as well. And also right now, I am doing a user exclusive $30 bonus for just signing up and depositing $50 to BLOFIN. If you want a 50% spot fee discount, check the link in the description down below. Love with all my heart. We'll talk about more in the next video tomorrow, where I'll be talking about Kaspa again. So hit the subscribe button. See you then. Bye.